Good morning, Year 5. How are you today? Welcome again at your school, Osama International School. Mrs Sara Osama with you. Today we're gonna to solve some questions of the previous homework. Let me share the screen with you first. Unit 6, Earth movements. Solve the homework. Open your activity book. Okay, on page 48. You can solve the first question. On page 48. Does the sun move? Guys, raise your hand if you want to solve. Okay, Ahmed Shams. Ahmed Shams.
Okay.
Okay, open your cam. Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, does the sun move? Okay, read the question.
No.
Yeah.
It doesn't move.
Okay, excellent. Read the question.
This exercise, look at the pictures of a tree which are labeled from 1 to 5. Each picture shows the sun in a different position and the shadow of a different length. Drawing number 1 represents 7 a.m. in the morning.
Okay, he told you that in picture number 1, this is a 7 a.m. Okay, in the morning. Okay, open your book. Okay, which drawing represent each of these times? 10 morning, 10 a.m. Which one? Look at your book.
Okay. 10 is 10 is number 2.
Number 2. See the answer. Number 2. Look at again.
No.
Look at again the picture, yeah, Ahmed. Look at again.
Okay.
Number 1, this is 7 a.m. Okay? Look at the position of the sun and look at the length of the shadow. You have to notice 2 things, okay? Position of the sun, length of the shadow. Okay, the sun in this position in the morning, so start to move. This is the east, okay? Start to move to the west, okay? At 10, it will move a little bit, okay? This is the midday, for example. This is at the end of the day. This and this. So, which one is the correct answer? 5. This is 10
Number
a.m.
5. Number 5 because it's...
Okay. So the next one, yeah.
Okay. هو 13 يعني what?
1 p.m.
1?
1 p.m. Yes. Look at
all
the numbers. Look at all the numbers. At 1, 16, it means 4. Okay.
midday.
19. How to calculate it? 19 minus 12. Okay. 19 minus 12. That's 7. Okay. So we have 1, 4, 7. Look at again. Which one? Which one 7?
So it's the first one.
Sorry, 7 p.m. Now we said
7.
Yes, 7 p.m.
It's number 4.
Sure?
Yes.
Look, we have 1.
Number 3. Number 3.
Number 3, excellent. Which one for
number 10?
Number 10. For which C, 16, I mean.
4?
You didn't say 1, right?
Yes, we didn't say 1.
Okay,
1 is number 2. 1 is number 2.
Okay, excellent. 1. So 10, it will be 5. 1 or 15 is number 2. 16.
16 is gonna be number 3.
Number
3 not 4 3.
Number we said خلاص 3 it's 7. Why you said 3 again?
1 is 7. 1 is 7.
No. Yes, 1 7. I mean 7 p.m. خلاص 1 7 a.m. You told us the answer. I mean 7 p.m. 19. This is number 3. So number okay, Ahmed.
Number 4 is 19.
Okay, Ahmed.
Number
Look at again.
number
These the answers. Okay, these are the answers. Look at again at the pictures. Look at the morning 7 a.m. Number 1.
the last one is number 10.
The position of the east. Okay, at which position the sun in the west and the length of the shadow is very long. Number 3. So this is 7 m.
PM.
Which one is the midday? At 1 p.m.
Number 2.
Number 2. Excellent. We have now 10 and 4. 10 in the morning before the midday. Okay. So the sun didn't reach the midday in this position. Okay. So it will be 10. Still in the east direction. Still in the east direction. Okay. Number 4 in the west direction, but the shadow is not long as number 7 p.m. Put the sun very close at 7 p.m. from the earth. Okay? Okay, Ahmed, did you understand? What the difference
Yes,
between 4 and 3? 4, the shadow is not very long. Okay? At number 3 or 7 p.m., the shadow is very long because the sun is very close from the earth. Okay? All of them, the position in the west. Okay?
And if the sun is on top, that means it's the midday, right?
Excellent. Yes, right. Okay, write the answers, guys. Okay. Who can solve? Thank you, Ahmed. Who can solve the next question? Who can solve the next question? Yusuf Ibrahim? Yes, Yusuf. Name the 2 factors that used to decide which drawing represented each time. You look at 2 factors. When I answer with Ahmed Shams, we look at 2 factors. What are these factors?
Direction and length.
Direction, X and direction of the sun, or position of the sun, and raise your voice.
The length of the sun.
Okay, can you raise your voice more? Okay.
The direction of the sun and the length of the sun.
Length of
the shadow.
the shadow. Okay, excellent. Yeah, okay. Excellent. The sun appears in the east and sets in the west. Okay, this is the position of the sun and the length of the shadow. Excellent. Okay, write the answer, please. Year 5. Okay, finish. Quickly, we have a lot of questions. Quickly. Okay, next question. Okay, the Earth rotates around its axis. In this exercise, you will compare the rotation of different planets. We have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Okay, and the period of rotation of each one in a time of Earth. For example, 59 Earth days, comparing the rotation with the Earth, number of the Earth days. Okay, Earth is the one of the planet in the solar system. All the planets in the solar system rotate on their axis. Okay, but they rotate at different speeds. Look at the data in the table. Mercury takes 59 Earth days to make one rotation. This means that one day on Mercury will be like 59 days on Earth. Okay, one day in Mercury means 59 days on Earth. Okay, for example, الإيرث as you said 24 hours. Okay. Mars 24 half hours يعني near from the Earth. Okay. Jupiter 10 Earth hours. Okay. So the rotation of the Jupiter is very fast. Okay. Just 10 hours it could complete one rotation around its axis. Okay. Okay. Who can solve? What does rotation mean? What does rotation mean? Yes يا لؤي. لؤي.
Orbit.
What does rotation mean? We said yesterday, did you attend yesterday, right? We said the difference between rotation and revolution. What the difference, يا لؤي?
The rotation is orbit.
Okay, who can help رؤي? Who can help رؤي? Yes يا فاطمة. فاطمة? Yes يا
Around
فاطمة.
the movement around the sun.
This is which one? Revolution or rotation?
Rotation means
No, 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 no. Okay. Yusuf Amir. Yusuf Amir, tell me the difference between rotation and revolution.
Miss,
Yes, yeah, Yusuf.
I know what does rotation mean.
Okay, tell me the answer.
Rotation means like to move around itself.
Okay, rotation around this axis. Excellent, Yusuf. So the revolution is?
Move around.
Yes. The second option, yeah, Yusuf. The second option. Moving around?
Its axis.
No, this is the rotation. Revolution?
I don't know what revolution means.
Like you know.
Wallah, I don't know.
You know.
Wallah, I don't know.
Okay, Yusuf. Didn't study yesterday, okay? Look at year 5. I will choose one. Okay, yes, yeah, Yasin Muhammad.
What
Open
is
your camera.
rotation?
What the difference between rotation and revolution? Yusuf Amir said rotation mean spinning around its axis, okay? What the meaning of
Yes.
revolution?
Revolution when the Earth move around the sun.
Excellent. When the movement or any planets, okay, not only the Earth, move around the sun. This is called revolution, okay? When the object revolve around another object, this is called revolution. Okay, Yusuf Amir, revolution means rotation around the sun. Rotation around the sun. I asked you yesterday when I said, for example, how many days the Earth taken its revolution. I will not tell you around the sun, just revolution. So you have to know this is around the sun. When I say revolution, means around the sun. So you have to say 365 days, okay? Okay, don't confuse again. Thank you, Yasin. Okay, so what does the rotation means? First we answer this. Movement of planet on its axis, or spinning of planet around its axis, okay? Correct in yourself. Correct in your book. Okay, next question. Okay, yes, yeah, Adam. When a planet rotates on its axis, what does the half of a planet facing the sun experience?
Heat and sunlight.
Excellent. Day. Excellent, yeah, Adam. Okay, it will be the day. Thank you, Adam. Which planet has the longest day? Look at the table. Which planet has the longest day? Yusuf, we have
Mercury.
look at the table again. Which one has the longest day?
ميرك ميرك لا مش ميرك ثانية فينوس
Okay, look at the table. Okay, it's Venus. It takes 300 مش عارفة كام days. Okay. B, thank you يوسف إيهاب. فاطمة.
You're welcome.
Fatima,
Yes.
you lived on this planet, which is Venus. He means Venus, okay? And sleep for half of the day. How long would you have to sleep for every day?
100. What?
Half of the
100
day.
days.
100.
21 and a half days.
Excellent, yeah, Fatima. How you calculated this?
We have the 243.
Excellent, yeah, Fatima. So 121 and a half Earth day. This is the half of the day on Venus, okay? Which planet had the shortest day? Yes, yeah. Okay. Farah. Which one? Farah.
2 hours. Okay.
Which planet has the shortest day?
Jupiter.
Okay. Jupiter. Okay, silent. If you lived on this planet, which is mean Jupiter, okay, how many hours would you be at school each day? If on Earth you spend about 6 hours at school each day. You in here, okay, on Earth, you spend around 6 hours every day in the school. These 6 days on Jupiter. He want to know the period of the Jupiter you spent on at the school. Yes, يا فرح. فرح. Okay, Kinsey.
3 hours.
Yes,
3 hours. Yes, miss.
3 hours.
And 55 minutes.
So 2.5, okay? 2.5 hours, okay? 2.5 hours. Excellent, yeah, Kinsey. The half of the time, okay. Next question. Okay, sunrise and sunset. In this exercise, you will analyze data about sunrise and sunset. Here are some data about the sunrise and sunset in Karachi, Pakistan, okay? First of all, you want to complete the table, okay? The sunrise on this time and the sunset on this time, okay? This is, for example, March 16, first day, first week, second week, until 6 months later, okay? The length of the day, you have to subtract the sunset from the sunrise to get these values, okay? For example, 18 minutes, 41 seconds, okay? 18 hours, sorry, 41 minutes minus 640, okay? The length of the day when you subtract the 18 minus 6, it will give you 12, 1 minute, okay? Okay? And so on. I calculated to not take a long time, okay? Write the answers, please, quickly. And the day, is day getting longer or shorter? Okay, each time increase in the time, okay, get longer, okay, until it reaches 12:50. Then start to get shorter again, okay? So all of them longer, and starting from the last one, get shorter again after 6 months, okay? Okay, how do you work about of the length of the day? How you get this result? As we said, yes, Yasin? Yes, Sue? Yes, Sue? Yes, yes. How do you think work out of the length of the day?
which page بقى miss because I was
All of them.
my wife
How you get these results? By
which result of what
he asked how you get the length of the day. What we did here. Just
we
excellent.
we saw the direction of the sun.
Yasin,
The length.
Yes, how we get the length of the day. What we did here in these two numbers. Yes, Yasin. We subtract them, okay?
Okay.
We subtract the sunset from the sunrise, okay? Thank you, Yasin. So we subtract the sunrise from sunset, okay? Finish here 5. Okay, we'll get the video on the YouTube. You can complete it again. Okay, complete the table as we did. Identify the pattern shown by the data between the March and June. After 6 months, it will be June, okay? More, okay, between March and June, after 3 months, for the length of the day. Between March and June. March and after 3 months, until here. Okay? What the pattern? Huh? The day get longer or shorter? Habiba?
The day
Yes.
Shorter.
Look at here. The length of the day 12:03, 12:10, 12:21, 12:44. Okay? Until
Get longer.
Get longer. Excellent. So the days were getting longer. Okay. Is Karachi going from spring to summer or from autumn to winter between March and June? From spring to summer, or this is 3 months. So the season will be different, okay? It will be from spring to summer or autumn to winter. Pencil. Khadija? Khadija?
Yes.
Yes, Khadija. Raise your voice.
Yes.
Choose spring to summer or autumn to winter. Choose Habiba.
I think from autumn to winter.
The days get longer. The days get longer.
From spring to summer.
Okay. As the day gets longer, to spring to summer. Okay. The length of the day longer in summer, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Khadija. Explain how you think. As we said, he is living in the northern hemisphere and tilted to the sun and get longer days. Or just write the days get longer. Okay. Explain the data in the 6-month line. What happened in the last column, okay? Yes, yeah. Yes, Team Muhammad?
I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Yes, yeah, Yusuf Ibrahim?
Yes, miss. Yes, Miss Sarah.
Yes, yeah, Yusuf. Explain the data in the last row, 6 months later.
It gets shorter.
Okay, excellent. It gets shorter, okay, and it will be December or shorter. Excellent. Yeah. Okay, quickly as we have only 3 minutes. The Earth revolves around the Sun, okay? What the meaning revolve? Revolution around the sun. Okay, which hemisphere is having summer here? The northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere? Yes, we didn't answer. Okay. One didn't answer. Yusuf Muhammad Al-Hadi. Yes, Yusuf.
Yes.
Yes, Yusuf. Which hemisphere is having summer?
The North Pole.
The northern hemisphere. Excellent. Explain your answer.
Because the North Pole of the Earth is tilted towards the sun.
Excellent. Because it's tilted to the sun. Okay. The northern hemisphere. Mention hemisphere. All the hemisphere. Okay. It's tilted toward the sun and having longer day. Okay. Excellent, ya Muhammad. Okay. Estimate the length of the day experienced by people living at X. Where is X? X here. The equator. Okay. It asks you to estimate the length of the day experienced by people living at X. Who can answer? Yusuf Amir? Yes, Yusuf.
About 10 hours.
Okay, 12 hours. Okay, excellent. 12. Because we said on equator have the same 12 hours per day and 12 per night. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Which complete, yeah, Yusuf. What time will sun rise and sunset be at X?
4:30.
Divided the 24 hours, okay? For example, at 6, it will be the sunset. At 6 in the morning, it will be the sunrise, okay? 6
Okay.
sunrise and 18, it means 6 p.m., okay? Sunset. Okay, thank you, Yusuf. If you lived at Y, where is Y? Why would you need a thick coat outside? At Y, let's see Y, where is Y? Here. Okay, do you need a heavy coat or thick coat? Yes, Yasin. Muhammad.
What is the question?
If you lived at Y, would you need a thick coat, Yasin, or not outside?
I will what is
You lived at point Y. Look at point Y at the pictures, okay? Do you need
okay.
a thick coat outside?
A coat?
Coat, yes. It means
No.
it's cold or hot. Look
Hot.
at it.
No cold. Cool.
It's very cold. Yes, you will need a thick coat. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
I will need a very
Explain why or why not. Because
explain why because the sunrise comes from it comes from the North Pole, not from the south.
excellent. It's come in the south, but the Earth is tilted. Okay, the northern hemisphere. Okay, the north hemisphere is tilted toward the sun, so it will be the summer. And in the southern hemisphere, will be winter, and the day very short. Okay, and so this is the northern hemisphere winter, so you will need a lab coat. Okay, which month of the year does this diagram represent? Which month is? Okay, in which position in this side will be June? Look at again at the picture. Okay, in this position, June. Okay.
This question is for me, miss.
No, خلاص fine. Thanks, yes, thanks. Okay, copy the diagram below, write the following table in the diagram. We have sun, earth, moon, orbit, axis, rotation, revolution. Okay? Ahmed Wissam? Ahmed Wissam?
Yes.
Yes, Ahmed, answer. Where is the sun?
Miss,
Yes, Ahmed, I hear you. Can you
do
answer?
you hear me?
Yes, I hear you. Where is the sun?
In the circle.
Okay, this is the sun. Where is the earth?
The earth move around the sun.
Excellent. Where is the moon?
I don't see Miss.
Here,
Uh,
beside the earth.
in the
Okay,
earth.
very small circle here. This is the moon. Okay.
Yes, yes, in the earth.
Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, Adham. Complete. Where is the axis? Where is the rotation? Where is the revolution?
The rotation is the circle around the Earth.
This is the rotation. Excellent. And revolution?
The revolution is the circle around the Sun.
Okay. Excellent. And where is
The Moon is small. The axis is the line in the middle of Earth,
Excellent.
imaginary line.
Excellent, yeah, Adham. Okay.
The orbit is the same circle.
Okay.
That the Sun. Of the Sun.
Okay, complete, yeah, Adham. Which Earth movement? Adham, complete. Which Earth movement causes day and night?
The Earth.
Which movement? Excellent. The rotation. Rotation of the Earth. Okay. Which two factors causes the seasons? Which two factors
Position
causes?
of the Earth.
Okay. Position of the revolution of the Earth around the sun. Okay. And the Earth is tilted. Okay. The Earth is tilted. Yes. The revolution of the Earth and the tilting of the Earth axis. Okay. This is the two factors cause the four seasons. Okay. Thank you, Adam. Next question. Okay, this question in your course book, guys. Okay, in your course book, page 96. I think. Okay, here are some data for sunrise and sunset. Okay, in King Gaston, Jamaica, 2012. Okay, as we used to do, the length of the day we will subtract sunrise from the sunset. Subtract sunrise from the sunset, and we get the results. Copy and complete the table by filling in the length of the day. Copy and complete as we did. Okay. Describe the pattern of change in the length of the day. Decrease or increase, get shorter, get longer. Yes, Hanin. 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 Hanin, can you answer? Okay, let's choose another one. Jana Khalid. Jana?
Yes.
Yes. Describe the pattern, ya Jana. The length of the day, get shorter or longer? Yes, Jana. Okay, Jana. Jana, look at the results here. 11, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 13. So the length of the day get shorter or longer? Jana?
Longer?
Longer. Excellent, ya Jana.
Yes.
It gets longer. Okay, thank you, Jana. So the days get longer. Which season do you think Kingston is having in January? Which season? Which season? Huh? Yes, yeah. Yes, so. Yasin?
Yes.
Yes, which season do you think Kingston is having in January?
Which season
January.
do you think
Yes.
Kingston has in January? 8 January.
Which season? Winter, summer, autumn, spring?
Summer.
In January or summer?
Winter.
Winter, excellent. Winter, because the day get longer, okay, start to get longer, so it's in winter. 43, 40, 55. So the day get longer, it will leave the winter to go to, for example, okay.
Okay.
Which season will Kingston experience in 6 months time? After 6 months, it will be
Summer.
summer, excellent. And the explanation related to the geography, so just answer the summer, okay?
ماشي.
Thank you,
خلاص.
Yasin. Last question. Yes, Adham. List 3 pieces of equipment that have helped astronomers to discover more about the solar system and stars.
Telescope,
Excellent.
microscope,
Yes. Microscope, no. Optical telescope, okay? Optical telescope. And
robots and
excellent.
ships.
Rover. And rovers. You will see, look at the last question. This is the shape of the rover. Look at your book. Last question. This is the rover here.
No.
Okay. Write a sentence about each piece of equipment to describe what it does. For example, talk about the telescope. Contain and contain. Yes. We talked the first session. Telescope. It contains.
Contain many mirrors.
Excellent. What this mirror, the job of this mirror?
To focus on light.
Excellent. Okay. To collect and focus the light. Excellent. It makes telescope the general job for that telescope to make the distant object like stars look bigger and brighter. Okay. It contains mirror, as you said, inside the telescope, collect and focus the light to make an image. Okay. Thank you, Adam.
Yes.
Last question. Who can solve it? Yusuf Muhammad Al-Hadi. Okay, Yusuf Muhammad Al-Hadi. This is an image of the rover on the surface of Mars, okay? A rover is a small vehicle worked by robots. They have been used on the moon and Mars to collect samples of rocks, take photographs, and to conduct experiments. Okay, how does the rover get to Mars? How? How it reach Mars? I think Yusuf Muhammad, the internet is filled with him. Okay. Can you complete, Yasin? Do you know answer? Okay. Okay, Adham. How does the rover? Yes.
By a spaceship.
Excellent. By spaceship or
aircraft.
What or who operates this rover? If the rover reach to the, for example, the moon or Mars.
Human.
Excellent.
Robots.
Astronauts. Excellent. Astronauts. Okay. Control them from the Earth. Okay. What kind of information does it collect? The question.
Rocks and experiments with photographs.
Excellent. Collect sample of rocks, maybe some gases, take up photos. Okay. Excellent. Yeah. Collect rock sample. Sorry. Collect rock sample of gases, and measure the temperature, for example, and take some images or photographs. Excellent. Yeah. Okay. So we solve now all the activity book, all questions inside the activity book, and the end of the unit questions in the experience book. Okay? Your homework. I think all of you got your booklet. Okay? Your homework inside the booklet 27, 28, 29, 30, 35, 36. Okay? Until the next Sunday. Okay, you have 1 week. Okay? Thank you for listening. And before I leave, I want you to watch this video. See you next week, inshallah.
Nope. Yep. 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 Nope. Yep.